I'm going to show you how to download any song in Audiomack and also how to download it to your device or PC. So let's get started. Open the app and then pick any song you would like to download. Click on these three dots and then tap download. Next, tap My Library and then tap download. Here you can listen to your song even if you are offline, but we would like to know how to download this audio to your device or PC. So what you need to do first is connect your mobile to your PC with the cable. Like this, okay. File transfer and then go to your internal shared storage. Next, find Android folder and then click on data. Now we need to find this folder, com.audiomack. Next step is files and then Audiomack. And here, as you can see, you get your song. I know it seems like there is no way how to play it, but what you need to do next is just rename, put .mp3, press enter, and voila, we got our audio here. Cut it, paste it on your PC, and now you can play it and you can use it. I'm not gonna play it because of the copyright, but you can also just copy this, go back to your storage and just paste it here. Here we go, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and now we're gonna just find it in our gallery. When you tap on music, and here we go, you can play it here. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe, and see you in the next one.